let's make an iron condor in the Robinhood app. If you don't know, an iron condor is an option strategy that includes 4 different options legs. This is a more advanced strategy, and I don't recommend it if you're just starting off. And in fact, your options level account won't let you if you're a very beginner to this. But if you're more intermediate to advanced, then you'll like this strategy for neutral trading, where you think the stock price is going to stay about the same in the future. So I'll show you how to do this in the Robinhood app. First, we need to search for our stock or ETF. So we'll click on a little search glass and we'll type in SPY, because this one is very popular, pretty much represents the whole market. So in theory, this should be kind of stable, neutral trading, should be pretty easy on us. And it's also very popular, so it's very high volume, and that makes it easier to get into and out of the trade. And also there's tons of strike prices, and there's lots of expiration dates to pick from. Okay, so currently today is pre-Halloween. It is October 30th, 2025, and the Spider S&P 500 ETF is trading around 680 right now. It's also a 24-hour market, and its options, you can trade it a little later than most options. So I click on trade options. We want to go a couple months out. So why don't we look at December? Let's go down to 8%. Yeah, around there. Okay. So the very bottom leg, we're going to be buying the wing, and it's going to be a put. So make sure you're set to buy and put. I'll pick this one. And then we're going to sell the body of it, staying on the puts. So buy the wing, sell the body. We're going to go up. Let's try the very next one. Okay. And then let's scroll, tap on where it says share price 680, tap on that. It'll slide you on up. And now we're going to switch over to the calls. So we want to go up, and let's try around 80% chance of profit. I'll be adjusting these in a second, by the way. So we're going to sell the body and buy the wing. And if you did everything correctly, it should say short iron condor. And if you slide this up, you can see, yes, that's the correct shape we want to see. But you can see the max profit and the max loss are totally whack right now. So we're going to adjust that. And also, I want to make this symmetrical. See how that left-hand side has a very wide wing, right-hand side's very short. We're going to bump up the right-hand side or decrease the left-hand side. So then this would make more sense. Oh, look at that. Changing in real time. This would not be a good strategy to enter into right now. So we're going to adjust this. Let's bring in these wings. So we'll start at the bottom, switch to puts. What do we got here? We want to move these in. Where did it go? Okay. So way down there. So see how that one's highlighted green? We'll uncheck that. We are buying the wings. Uncheck that. And bring it in. Selling the body. So we'll uncheck this and bring that in. Right above there. Perfect. So we have a short iron Condor. The max loss is about double what our max profit would be, which is within the rule of thumb of max loss being triple of the max profit, so we're good there. And at the bottom here, you can click on Now. So if we were to enter into this strategy and immediately try to close everything, we'd be at a loss. And there's 62 days till expiration. That's DTE, days to expiration. If we slide it to the right, you can see our days to expiration are decreasing and our profit loss chart is looking better for us. So at expiration, it looks like a normal iron Condor. Max profit would be 78 bucks, max loss 122, and you can see our break-even points. So I'm happy with that. Let's click continue. We'll want one of them. We'll go ahead and do good till canceled and just do whatever the limit price, whatever price they put in there for us automatically. Click on the little arrow. You can see, yes, there's a good shape here. Price of expiration, it would have to move against us down 3.83% or up 3.5%. Let's click on review. Collateral's $200. Let's swipe up. Queued for market open. And we'll click done. So that's how you put in an iron Condor in Robinhood. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this. Thanks.